If you've been wanting to give your WordPress site a fresh look by updating that old header logo, you're in the right place. Because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to easily change or replace your header logo in WordPress, step by step, even if you're a total beginner. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. Then choose Customize. This will open up the WordPress customizer where you can visually edit parts of your website. From here, find and click on the section called Site Identity. Inside Site Identity, you'll see options for your site title, tagline, and logo. If you already have a logo, you'll notice a Change Logo button. But if you don't have one set yet, it'll say Select Logo. Click on that button. Now, you'll have two choices. You can upload a new logo from your computer or simply choose one from your media library if you've already uploaded it before. Once you've picked your logo, WordPress might ask if you'd like to crop it. This step is optional, but it's helpful if your logo looks too large or uneven. When it looks right in the preview, just click the Publish button at the top, and that's it. Your new header logo is now live on your site. Quick tip, if you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing your page or clearing your browser cache. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've given your website a fresh new look with a brand new header logo. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to drop a like and stay tuned for more quick WordPress tips that'll make your site stand out.